All right, on this episode of Cooking with the Kowalskis, I'm going to be making this dessert that has no added sugar. You can even make it dairy-free, and your kids and everyone will love it. It only has 3 ingredients, so I'll show you what's all in it here. All right, we're going to be making banana cream, homemade ice cream. 3 ingredients is all we're going to need here. Just take some bananas, just froze them. Got some heavy whipping cream. If you want to make it dairy free, you could use some oat cream or whatever creamer you like to use. And then we got some vanilla collagen powder here. This is what makes it kind of taste like ice cream. If you don't have vanilla collagen powder, you could just use some regular vanilla and some honey, and or some vanilla and maple syrup. But this just makes it really easy, and plus it makes it healthy because you're getting some collagen, which is good for your joints and your skin and your gut and a whole bunch of stuff. So healthy, it's even healthy. This dessert's healthy for the kids and family, and it tastes great. So we're just gonna blend all this up and see how it turns out here. Alright, we just blended up. We put like a scoop and a half of collagen powder, vanilla, and some heavy whipping cream and a few frozen bananas. Whipped it all up in the little blender here, and we're going to try it out. Alright, here's the end product. Some banana cream ice cream, homemade. Pretty healthy, just has collagen, some heavy whipping cream. You could use like oat cream or some other creamer if you want it dairy free. And just frozen bananas. And again, if you don't have vanilla collagen, you could just use some vanilla extract and some honey or maple syrup, and turns out pretty good here. Yeah, tastes really good. And if you want to make it a little more fancy, just finish it with a little whipped cream and a cherry on top, and you're good to go. Kids will love it.